ॐ गणानां त्वा गणपतिगुं हवामहे कविं कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनामवित्र्यवतु गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ॐ यश्छन्दसां वृषभो विश्वरूपः छन्दोभ्योऽध्यमृतात् सम्बभूव समेन्द्रो मेधया स्पृणोतु अमृतस्य देवधारणो भूयासम् शरीरं मे विचर्षणम् जिह्वा मे मधुमत्तमा कर्णाभ्यां भूरिविश्रुवम् ब्रह्मणः कोशोऽसि मेधया पिहितः श्रुतं मे गोपाय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः मेधा देवी जुषमाणा न आगाद् विश्वाची भद्रा सुमनस्य माना त्वया जुष्टानुगमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदथे सुवीराः त्वया जुष्ट ऋषिर्भवति देवी त्वया ब्रह्मा गतः श्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्वत्र विनो न मेधे मेधां महीन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधां मे अश्विना वुभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सरासु च या मेधा गन्धर्वेषु च यन्मनः दैवीं मेधा सरस्वती सा मां मेधा सुरभिर्जुषत स्वाहा आमां मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगति जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा बिन्वमाना सा मां मेधा सुप्रतीका जुषन्ताम् मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मय्यग्निस्तेजो दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयीन्द्र इन्द्रियं दधातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो दधातु हंसाय विद्महे परमहंसाय धीमहि तन्नो हंसः प्रचोदयात् ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात् स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्ताम् न्यायेन मार्गेण महीं महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यम् समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Om Sri Sai Ram pranams at the lotus feet of our most beloved Lord, Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba Varu. By his infinite grace and blessings, we all have assembled for this divine satsang on Sri Rudradhyaya, which is being organized by Sri Satya Sai Samyukta Shruti Shreni of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization, India, under the theme Vedas, the very foundation of Indian culture and spirituality. On behalf of Sri Satya Sai Samyukta Shruti Shreni, I extend a very loving and warm welcome to all the ardent seekers of Vedic wisdom to this 49th episode of Gama Agama lecture series. We are once again lucky and blessed to have the eminent Sanskrit scholar, Professor Dr. Sudarsana Sarmagaru, to continue his lectures on the 10th Anuvaka of Sri Rudradhyaya. Now I humbly invite Professor Sarmagaru to take over. Jai Sai Ram.
श्रुतं मे गोपाय
Om Namah Shaishwaraya. My humble salutations at the lotus feet of Bhagavan Sri Satya Sai Baba Varu. My sincere thanks to the organizers of this program and hearty greetings to the audience. Friends, we have started to get through the information related to the 10th Anuvaka of Rudradhyaya in the last episode. So in continuation of that, today we start with the 5th mantra of the same Anuvaka, Drapayam Dhasaspati, the 10th Anuvaka. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Mano Mahanta Mutamano Ardhakam Mana Ukshanta Mutamana Ukshitam Mano Udhi Pitaram Mota Mataram Priyamanastanuvo Rudraririsha. these two sentences form into a single mantra. This is a Rik. This is a prayer offered to Bhagavan Rudra. Mano mahanta mutamano arbhakam mana ukshin mutamana ukshitam. Hey Rudra, this is the Sambodhana or the addressing word. Maririshaha. See friends, here in this mantra, though they are in the proper order, the language being a different one, we have to arrange the words in a convenient order for an English explanation. Therefore, I will be picking the words from different portions of the mantra. Hey Rudra, O Rudra, Ma Ririshaha. This is the last word. Ma Ririshaha. Please don't. Ma means please don't. Ririshaha means oppress. OPP or ESS. Or torment. Or torture. Or cause diseases. O Rudra, Maririshaha. Please don't cause diseases. Please don't torture us. Please don't torment or oppress us. Whom? Naha, our Mahantam. We have a big family. A very large family. I am a member of a very large family. And there are so many old men. Mahantam. Who are aged persons. So, those who are our aged persons, Mahantam, you please Maririshaha. Don't torture them. Don't cause any diseases. Don't cause any pain to them. Hey Rudra, Naha Mahantam Maririshaha. Please don't torture our aged persons. Uta means or. Naha, our Arbhakam. Arbhaka means the kid, a small member, a little member of our family. Ma means please don't torture. You don't torture our elderly persons. Similarly, I request you not to torture our small kids. Mano Mahantam Utamano Arbhakam. Arbhaka means the kid. Please don't ma. Naha Arbhaka, our kids should not be tortured by you. Mana Ukshantam. Naha Ukshantam. Ukshanta means youngsters. Youngsters who are capable of generating progeny and thereby expanding the dynasty. They are called Uksham. Naha Ukshantam. Naha Ukshantam. Please, Ma, don't torture, don't kill, or don't cause any disease to our Ukshantam. Means the youngster, the energetic youngster, the dynamic youngsters. You please protect our young generation. Mano arbhakam mana ukshantam utamana ukshitam uta or please don't torture or kill our ukshitam. Ukshitam means the unborn child who is in the mother's womb. Utamana ukshitam. Ukshitam means the unborn infant, the unborn child in mother's womb. You please take care of our unborn progeny. Don't torture them, don't kill them, don't cause any diseases to them. Mana ukshantam utamana ukshitam manovadhi pitaram. You please don't kill our fathers, the fathers of the family. Naha, our pitaram, fathers, ma avadhi, please don't kill them. Ma avadhi, please, ma means no, please don't. Avadhi, kill, please don't kill. Naha, our pitaram, father. Or uta means or. Naha mataram, our mothers. You please don't kill our father or our mother. Manovadhi pitaram mota mataram priyamanas tanuvaha. Priyamanas tanuvaha. Naha priyaha tanuvaha ma. Hey Rudra, Naha, our priyaha, dear, tanuvaha. Tanuvaha means bodies. Bodies means fellows or persons with bodies. Ma, please don't kill them. Hey Rudra, please don't kill our dear people, our dear friends, kin. Those who are dear to us, you please take care of them, please save them, please protect them. Don't cause any pain or agony to them. This mantra is a Shanti mantra. Mano mahanta mutamano arbhakam mana ukshanta mutamana ukshitam mano vadhe pitaram mota mataram priyamanas tanuvo rudraririsha. For this mantra, the Rishi is Bhrigu Rishi, Jagati is the Chandas, and the presiding deity is Nandishwaratmaka Rudra. Actually, Rudra in the form of Nandishwara. He is the presiding deity. To get command over this mantra or to get authority over this mantra, to utilize this one, the eligible person should observe fasting for 3 days continuously and then perform a japa of 5,000 times. After observing this feat, then the person will become eligible to utilize this mantra. While uttering the mantra, the Nandishwaratmaka Rudra, who is the presiding deity of this mantra, should be meditated as described in the following shloka. Balendu mukutam devum तरुणानित्य विग्रहं ध्यायेन्नन्दीश्वराकारं गणेश्वर समावृतम्. You please meditate. Such a Rudra ध्यायेत Nandishwarakaram. Meditate upon the Rudra who is in the form of Nandishwara. And he is surrounded by Ganeshwara Samavritam. Is surrounded by, is approached by Ganeshwara, Ganadhipati. Here, Ganeshwara refers to not only just Vinayaka, but also his retinue, his army, his retinue, his army, his servants, and all those who follow him. Ganeshwara stands in front of Rudra along with his followers. Jhayen Nandishwarakaram Ganeshwara Samavritam. And how this Nandishwarakara Rudra is, there are few adjectives to it. Balendu Mukutam. Balendu Mukutam. The moons, quarterly moons. Balendu, the rising moon. The rising moon becomes his kirita, his mukuta. Mukuta means kirita. Devam means divyama, is blissful. Tarunan nitya vigraham, he looks ever young, ever green. And that type of Nandishwaratmaka Rudra, who is surrounded by Ganesha, is to be meditated upon 5,000 times. The result of this mantra, the prayoga of this mantra is Sakala Vidha Shanti. Sakala Vidha Shanti. So we perform japa for Graha Shanti, Nakshatra Shanti, Roga Shanti, Shatru Shanti, and so on. There are different types of procedures, mantras and shlokas for these procedures. But this mantra is enough to tackle all the varieties of shantis. By the prayoga of this mantra, by utilizing this mantra, you will be appeasing all the adverse or evil forces or evil results. Each and every one, not to name anything in particular. Every adverse thing, every hostile thing, maybe it is a graha or nakshatra or a person or an officer or a friend, whoever it be. This is the Shanti. This is the Shanti mantra. Thus, we complete the interpretation of the fifth mantra and then proceed to the sixth mantra. Manasto ketana ye mana ayushi mano koshu mano ashveshuririshah Viran mano rudrabhamito vadhir havishmanto namasa vidhemate. Hey Rudra, Viranmano Rudra Bhamito. There we find the word Rudra. Hey Rudra, Bhamitaha. Bhamitaha means one who is angry, who has got annoyed. Rudra is annoyed. What is the reason? There are two reasons. By not performing the deeds that are to be done. In other words, for not performing dharma, he gets annoyed. Secondly, by performing adharma, he gets annoyed. If you do not perform dharma, you will get annoyed. If you perform adharma, then also he will get annoyed. Hey Rudra, Bhamitaha, being angry towards us, being annoyed on us, having been annoyed on us. Naha toke, naha toke, naha tanaye, naha ayushi, naha goshu, naha ashveshu, ririsha. Please don't, ririsha means please don't cause any type of problem to naha, our, toke. Toka means the progeny, the second generation, second younger generation. The first younger generation is the sons and daughters. The second younger generation is grandsons and granddaughters. They are called toka. Naha toke. You please don't be angry with our grandchildren. Don't torture them. Don't cause them any pain or agony. Don't kill them. Naha tanaye, naha, our, tanaye. Tanaya means the sons and daughters. They also should be protected by you. They are your devotees. Maririshaha. Please don't cause them any pain. You please don't torture them. Naha ayushi, naha, our, ayushi. Ayushi means our longevity. We have a long life. Being annoyed on us, please don't reduce the volume of, the length of our life. Naha ayushi, maririsha. Please don't reduce our longevity. Naha goshu, our cows. Cows means the cattle. Cow is not just cow, but any type of animal that is used for milking. Goshu, maybe it is buffalo, or a goat, or a sheep, or a deer, or even an ass. She ass. Naha goshu. Please don't maririsha. Please don't kill our animals that provide milk to us. Naha goshu maririsha. Please don't kill our cows or such other animals. Naha Ashveshu Ma. Naha Ashveshu. Our horses. Horses means the animals that are used for travel or for carrying the burden, carrying the weight, the bullocks that pull the carts, and such other animals. Naha Ashveshu, our horses, Ma, please don't kill them. Don't cause any diseases to them. Mano Goshu Mano Ashveshu Ririshaha Viran Mano Rudrabhamito Vadhihi. Hey Rudra, Naha Viram. Veera, in this particular context, the word Veera refers to the servants. Naha Veera, there are several servants employed by us for various purposes. Please be kind towards them. Don't cause any diseases to them. Don't cause any mental agony to them. Or please even don't kill them. Let them be very happy. Let them be duty-minded. Let all our servants serve us in a better manner. Naha Viran Mavadhihi. Please don't kill them. Havishmanto Namasa Vidhema. Havishmanta, O Rudra, we offer you Havis. Havis is different types of havis. It may be the cooked rice, ghee, or milk, or several other things. Havishmantaha, we offer havis oblations to you. Namasa Vidhema, we salute you, O Rudra. That is the purport of this mantra. Rudra is the Rishi of this mantra. The same Rudra is the presiding deity, and the Chandas, the meter is Jagati. For this mantra, to get hold on this mantra, to catch hold of this mantra, there are many penances that are prescribed. They are very difficult procedures. Krichra, Chandrayana, this type of prayashchittas are described. We have to perform all of them, and the details are found in the treatises of Dharma Shastra or Prayoga Granthas. Krichra, Chandrayana, and other type of penances, prayashchitta karma, appeasing rituals and procedures should be followed, strict. And then this mantra should be uttered without break for 10,000 times with a concentrated mind on Bhagavat Rudra. And while repeating the chantings of this mantra, we should concentrate on such a particular peculiar type of Rudra as described in this verse. Dadhanameka dashadha vibhajya deham vishuddha sphatika prakasham tejomayam shulinam indumulim vicintayedatra sadaiva rudram. Dadhanameka dashadha vibhajya. Though he is one, for the sake of his devotees, he has divided himself into 11 to perform different duties, 11 duties for the sake of the devotees. Dadhanam ekadashadha vibhajya deham vishuddha sphatika prakasham. His body is crystal clear. Vishuddha sphatika prakash. Tejomayam is blissful. Shulinam, he holds the trident. Trishula. Indumaulim. The moon adorns his head. And such Rudra should be meditated upon while chanting, while repeating the chantings of this mantra. My dear friends, this mantra is very, very valuable. In one word, we should tell that this is a kalpavruksha or a kalpataru or a kamadhen. This gives us everything. Ayuru vruddhi, some of them are enumerated here, some of them are described. Ayuru vruddhi, increase in the longevity. Rajya vruddhi, expansion of kingdom. Now there are no kings and kingdoms also. Here Rajya means the area of power. The area of power. The area of control. The area you cover. That gets expanded. Suvrishti, and there will be very good seasonal rains in the country. Vyavahara Jaya. Vyavahara Jaya. Vyavahara means the physical efforts. See, playing games, playing cards, playing tournaments, or entering into litigations and such other things, especially for litigations, for winning the litigation. This mantra is very useful. Suvarna Prapti. Sometimes we face very peculiar situation. We have sufficient money with us. We can afford. But somehow we become unable to purchase gold. That peculiar situation is averted by the chanting of this mantra. And you will get plenty of ornaments, jewelry, golden jewelry. Mahapapa nivritti. Sometimes we perform such papa which we do not even wish to utter or share with others, like Surapam, consuming the alcohol, such other things. Gohatya, killing the cows, killing the Brahmins. This type of papas are called Mahapapas. Maha means the fierce, great papas, heavy papas, sins. Chanting of this mantra will grant relief from such heavy sins. Mahapapa nivritti. And one more very important one is Sarva Jana Vashikarana. People will start to love you, to worship you, to obey you. Sarva Jana Vashikarana. Be it your subordinate or be it your officer, higher up, whoever it is, the required person will act according to your wishes. He will dance, he or she will dance according to your tunes. Sarvajana Vashikarana, and so on. Whatever you want, whatever you wish in your mind, that is granted by the chanting of this mantra. So friends, this is very important in the whole of Rudradhyaya, which needs to be chanted very carefully, following the rules. Manastoke tanaye mana ayushi mano goshu mano asveshu ririshaha Viran mano rudrabhamito vadhir havishmanto namasa vidhemate. O Rudra, we offer oblations to you. We salute you. Please don't kill our people, our cattle. Don't reduce our longevity. We will ever remain your devotees. Another most important fruit of this mantra is protection from all kinds of diseases, from all kinds of adversities, so that our life moves very smoothly. That is one of the best results of this mantra. Om Namah Shivaya.
Om Sri Sai Ram. Loving pranams at the lotus feet of our most beloved Lord, Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba Varu. On behalf of all the participants and on behalf of Sri Satya Sai Samyukta Shruti Sreni of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization India, I express our heartfelt gratitude to Professor Dr. Sudarsana Sarmagaru for his lecture on the 5th and 6th mantras of the 10th Anuvaka of Sri Rudradhyaya. With the kind permission of Professor Sudarsana Sarmagaru, I will provide a brief summary of his wonderful lecture. The 5th mantra consists of 2 slokas starting from Mano Mahanta and ending with Rudra Ririshaha. This mantra is a Shanti mantra with prayers to Rudra to protect and safeguard our extended family consisting of old-aged ones, younger ones, little ones, and unborn children in the womb from all troubles, diseases, and tormentation. The Rishi for this mantra is Bhrigu Mahamuni. Deity is Nandishwaratmaka Rudra. The meter or chandas is Jagadi. The vidhana or the protocol for chanting this mantra, one has to fast for 3 full days and do the japa for 5,000 times while meditating the form of Rudra as prescribed in the Dhyana Sloka as follows. Meditate upon the blissful evergreen young form of Rudra in Nandishwarakara, surrounded by Ganapati and all the Ganas, and having a rising moon in his crown. This is how one has to imagine while chanting this mantra for 5,000 times. The result of such a penance is Sakala Vidhi Shanti, Griha Shanti, Nakshatra Shanti, Roga Shanti, Shatru Shanti. Next, the 6th mantra, which starts with Manastoke and ends with Vidhemate, is an ardent prayer to Sri Rudra with different oblations through the sacred fire in the form of different varieties of rice, cooked rice, sweet rice, and so on, to protect our future generations and all the servants who either knowingly or unknowingly may either not follow dharma or do adharma, to protect them and to bring them back to the dharmic path and keep them aligned to dharma. The Rishi and the deity for this prayer or mantra is Sri Rudra himself. The meter or chandas is Jagati. The vidhana or protocol, one has to observe Krichra karma, like sleeping on the floor eating sattvic food, taking cold water bath, observing Chandrayana, etc., as explained in Dharma Shastras. After having observed Krishna karmas, one has to chant the mantra with ekagrata for 10,000 times. Such a penance should be carried out with the meditation on Lord Rudra as mentioned in the Dhyana Sloka as follows. Meditate upon the resplendent crystalline form of Rudra, who has manifested in 11 forms and carrying out 11 different duties for the benevolence and welfare of all the devotees, and is adorned with moon on his head. Such an ardent prayer and penance will yield wonderful results. This mantra is as such regarded as Kamadhenu and Kalpavriksha. It blesses one with long life. It leads to the expansion of knowledge, power, wealth. It blesses one with seasonal rainfall, Vyavahara Jaya. It leads to Mahapapa Nivritti and Suvarna Prapti. It also blesses one with Sarvajana Vashikarana. Thus, Professor Sarmagaru provided us with Padartha and Guptartha of the 5th and 6th mantras of the 10th Anuvaka of Sri Rudradhyaya. Now, I humbly pray to our dear Lord Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba Varu to immensely bless Professor Dr. Sudarsana Sarmagaru and his family. Jai Sai Ram.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Satya Sai Hare Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Bhakta Jana Samrakshak Pati Maheshwara Om Jai Jagadish Hare Shashivadana Shrikara Sarva Pranapati Swami Sarva Pranapati Ashrita Kalpalatika Ashrita Kalpalatika Apatandhava Om Jai Jagadish Hare Mata Pita Guru Daivamu Mariyantayu Nive Swami Mariyantayu Nive Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nada Brahma Jagannatha Nagena Shayana Om Jai Jagadish Hare Omkara Rupa Ojasvi Ho Sai Mahadeva Satya Sai Mahadeva Mangala Harati Anduko Mangala Harati Anduko Mandala Giridhari Om Jai Jagadish Hare Narayana समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्तलोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की जय।